friends! Welcome back to my channel. Nandito na naman kayo at maraming salamat sa panonood. And so for today's video, I'm going to talk about this new product by Beauty Glazed again. Yan, suking-suki ako talaga ng pag-review when it comes to Beauty Glazed. Whenever they have a new product, I would always grab one and review them. So this one is a new palette by Beauty Glazed and it's called Your Shades Eyeshadow Tray. And the look is very classy and sobrang ganda ng kanyang packaging, as in it doesn't look cheap at all. Their new eyeshadow tray, and ipapakita ko sa inyo na ipakita ko na pala. So yan ang laman ng eyeshadow tray ng Your Shades. I think they named it Your Shades because lahat ng shades na gusto ng isang babae when it comes to playing makeup or when you're going outside, mapakabugman or mapasimpleng makeup, this would be it. Lahat ng shades na gusto natin. Because when I look at this, I was like amazed and I was like, wow, that's my shades. That's my kind of shades. See? Even if you look at it, that's my kind of shades. Hindi siya ganong kabonggahan, but most of them are warm tones, and even the blue ones, yeah, sobrang pakak at maganda. And I'm actually going to do a makeup look with it. Actually, I'm just going to do a simple makeup. I am going to do the swatches of the shimmers first. Let's start here. Ayan, ang tingkad-tingkad. And this one here. Ayan, laban. Ko, ang init. Ang init sa kwarto. Ayan. Ganda. Ganda. I like this. Ayan. Ay, this one kabog. Pero patchy. Ayan. Blendable naman siya, so it's okay. Proceed here. Ayan. And ayun, this one. Shimmers ba to? Oh, I think medyo may pagka-bright metallic-y. Yeah, they're shimmers. Yeah. I think lumalaban naman yung shimmers niya. It's fighting, it's there, but it's not super shimmery like you want it to. But since these are all warm, the shimmers are quite acceptable. Maganda siya pa rin, especially if it's only for you, like you're only gonna use it in the house or when you're going out. Yeah. Laban na laban. Okay. So, yeah. I'm gonna post a photo here and here or here na sinwatch ko siya. So, makita niyo yung swatches here ng ibang shades. Tiny fallouts na makita kayo when you use the palettes, especially when you're doing heavy eyeshadow. But, okay lang because maganda yung pigment niya. As in, the colors are there and everything you wish for in a palette. I mean, not everything, but what you wish for in a palette with this price, yeah, this is the price, is reasonable. Talagang kumakapit at maganda yung bigay ng kulay niya. Even the yellow, this one is yellow. They even fixed the yellow. Hindi siya ganun ka-fallout na. Unlike doon sa palette na dupe ng James Charles na ginawa nila. The 35 Color Studio, I think. Yeah, the Color Studio one. Yung yellow nila doon, sobra maka-fallout at sobrang patchy-patchy yung ibang dark colors. So, they fixed it actually. They're actually listening to the people that review their products. So, wala nang gaanong fallouts, and especially the yellow one. And hindi na din siya ganun kapatchy sa skin when you apply it. And yeah, I could really say, for the price of this, it's like below $10, I guess. Yeah, I am right. It's below $10 if you buy this. And I can actually say that this is my shades. And I think I'm going to keep this for myself. Alright, so if you want to watch my tutorial for this look, for this entire look, please keep on watching and follow me if you wanna do this too. Yan, it's not perfect, but feeling ko maganda naman yung pagkakagawa ko. So, it's up to you to decide if you wanna watch this tutorial, if you're going to buy this palette. It's very simple, pero plakadong-plakado, maganda din siya pang IG look. So, here it is. Watch it now. So, first and foremost, before we do our makeup, we always need to moisturize our face. I would always start by putting serum on my face. Then, I would put my moisturizer from EYEDHADOW Korea. Well, after moisturizing our face, I'm going to proceed by putting on my foundation primer. It's redness correcting because I have some pimple marks. I'm going to use a cushion for today. I feel like using a cushion. This is my favorite April Skin Magic Snow cushion. It's in the shade of 21. I don't have 23 right now, which is my shade right now. I was 21 before, but now I'm 23 because I got darker and I love it. But yeah, you're supposed to dab it in. Yep, it's whiter than my own skin. Like, look. Mukha pala akong vampira nung sobrang puti ko, no? O yan. I'm almost done. And I'm so bright. I can't believe that this was my cushion's shade before. Sobrang puti. Pero carry na yan. Diba? Yan. Totoo ang trend because this cushion makes you look like you have a Korean skin. Look. It's so white, guys. I don't know what to say. Okay now, so I'm going to proceed by putting on my setting powder. Alright, so for our powder for today, I am going to use the Vice Ganda Duo Foundation, Duo Finish Foundation in the shade of Putti na Mess. Putti na Mess. Nag-tone down siya kahit papano at pumantay sa aking leeg. But I'm going to mattify this part kasi oily ako sa part ng ilong. Chica White Chico, and it's very effective. It's very effective. Once I use this in the morning after my makeup's going to last like for real at least 6 hours without blotting.
You should take it as a compliment that I got drunk and made fun of the way you talk. You should think about the consequence of your magnetic field being a little too strong. And I got a boyfriend, he's older than us. He's in the club doing I don't know what. You're so cool, it makes me hate you so much.
Alright guys, so simulan na natin. For today's look, we are going to make this eyeshadow look. Abangan nyo. At sundan nyo na din. Okay. So, we're gonna get this first. This one. Oops, nakikita nyo yan. There's fallout. But although there's fallout, it's not patchy. And it's very pigmented actually.
In the middle of the night, in my dreams, you should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams, you should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams, you should see the things we do,
Ganyan dapat maging itsura niya. Guhit, papuntang taas. Yan. So, after that flying cut crease na ito, kukuha naman tayo ng shade na panglagay dito sa ating tinakluban gamit ang concealer. This shade. So, after those shenanigans, we are going to proceed by putting on our glitter. Whatever glitter you have, the gel glitter, you can use that. And then we're going to put our eyeliner. Our eyeliner is gonna be from Pop Studio. Their eyeliner is a holy grail. Holy grail. Ito yung product na pinakagusto ko, as in. Sobrang ganda niya gamitin. Ang ganda ng strokes. And also, yung pagka-pigment niya, as in, pack na pack.
He's in the club doing I don't know what. You're so cool, it makes me hate you so much. Whiskey on ice, sunset and vine. You ruined my life by not being mine.
My lashes, again, from Envy. Yung isa na suot ko na. This is called Love Struck. So, kabog na ang ating makeup, ating eye makeup, but don't forget to put eyeshadow here. The yellow part here. We're done with our eye makeup, and I'm going to do the rest. I'm going to use Ravs. It's a new brand of palette. And lumalaban ang packaging, itong pigment, because they're very cheap. As in,
Ocean blue eyes, looking in mine. I feel like I might sink and drown and die. You're so cool.
and then we're also gonna use their blush. This one. Ay, nakadami. Itong blush na to, bagay na bagay siya sa bride. Putok na putok ang pagka-blush. As in, kapit na kapit ang pagka-pigment. Ano kaya, bride ka, no? Tapos ganito yung makeup mo. Ala, tarush. Lahat na ng bisita mo, nakatingin sa mata mo. Yan, ang gagamitin ko namang highlighter ay from Cathy Doll. This is the pink, number 3 Pink Lights. Ang lipstick naman na gagamitin natin ngayon ay from Inga Official. Inga, it's a Korean lipstick. And all the shades are, may Korean vibe siya. Sobrang gaganda. And I'm going to pick this one. So this one is a vintage red. Sobrang ganda. I like it. Alright, so my final verdict, am I going to buy this again? Of course not. Kasi, not because it's negative. I'm not gonna buy this again because I already have one and I think it's gonna take years for me to be able to finish one palette of this Beauty Glaze. But if am I gonna recommend this? Yes, I would recommend it sa mga nagtitipid. Those people who's looking for a palette that's cheaper but very pigmented. Yes, I would gladly recommend this to everyone who wants a palette like this. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel now and click the notification bell so you'll be updated if I have a new video. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day, have a good evening, wherever you are, and take care.